Well, it's that time. Time to get that skid plate out and that chunk of exhaust out. The straps out. We already got the gas tank out. And time to put the new tank in, which I will show you in a minute. But first, I have to get the tailgate off so I can get to everything. Because all the bolts are down in there. I'm not going to record. Okay, that ain't coming open with one. Yep, it did. So you can't hardly even see them down through there. You can just see the holes. And that's why I have to take off the tailgate. I'll be back. Okay, there's a new tank. Ain't it pretty? Sprayed a little rust reformer on the, whoops, sorry about that. On the sending unit. Of course I did not hit the electrode. Okay, here's a little bit of useless information. If you've got a 31-gallon tank, like I do, not the 25, you will have this kick right here where it slopes back up. It also distinguishes between the front and the rear. So you can tell. And the strap. Like I said, useless information. Okay, here's another little side note. When all of this stuff goes bad on you and you don't have enough to cover it back up again, tar paper. I just fold it over, make 2 layers, cut it to the length and width that you need, and you're golden. You're good to go. What other term you can think of? Okay. That's useful information number 1. And the next time you see it, it will be in 1, 2, 3. And just like that, it's in. Skid plate, tank, it's all there. Oh, it's a wonderful thing. Lines are all hooked up except for the fuel pump. Clear at the front of the engine. And then I gotta fill it up with gas. So, there'll only be one more after this, and it'll be when I start it. Okay, I said I'd be back when I was ready to start it. Got my little turn downs on it. I don't think you can see them because they're probably right in front of the axle. But let's see how well the microphone picks up. Okay, gonna try this again. See if the sound is any better on this camera to where you can actually hear the engine instead of just hearing it for a split second when it fires up. Hopefully that sounds a little better. And that's what it sounds like. Not radical, not real lobby, just a real slight. But it's supposed to be a lot of low end torque, which for something like this, that's what I want. So, whew, this thing's still running a little bit rich. As you can see, the gas gauge is also reading correctly. I put 5 gallons in it and it barely bumped it off the empty. And for those of you that remember the squeaking sound, it's gone. That ain't nothing but just sounding good. You see my fuel pump working over there. Alright, now that's the end. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell 12, and come back. Because I'm going to have something. In the meantime, I hope I have something that you enjoy. Bye.